Welcome, dear friends. Most of the time in our schools or colleges and offices, we make huge table in MS Word, and therefore we go for calculation in MS Excel. We do copy and paste and waste our time. So today I'll share you a feature of MS Word through which you can add MS Word and MS Excel two items in a single way. So you will get both feature in MS Word. We will make a huge table in MS Excel, and then we will bring it to MS Word. At a time, it will behave like Excel as well as MS Word rich text format. So without wasting time, let's go to the screen how we can do it. Now this is MS Word, and this is a ready-made table in MS Excel. So let's copy it, select it, right click and copy, or you can also use Ctrl C and Ctrl V, but not ordinary paste but paste special. Now MS Word is open, so we will see how we can use it through paste special. So open this dialog box, and these are the 6 features which are giving you different type of paste. However, we will not use it. We will select downside paste special. Now paste special is open. We will select the first option, Microsoft Excel worksheet, and click OK. Now the table is shifted to MS Word. It looks like that it's MS Word file. However, it will behave like MS Excel. So I click above the table, and you can see that I am writing and having a rich text format of MS Word. I'll also write down the table, and again the same MS Word will behave like rich text format of MS Word, but inside, as soon as we click in the table by double clicking, now it will start calculation. You can see that above ribbon has been changed and the MS Word format has been over, and you can use auto sum or other features of Excel. So let's use auto sum. Calculation has been done, and now let's check again either if it behave like MS Word or not. So again we will click above. So you have seen that it again behave like MS Word. So I do have both features of MS Excel as well as MS Word, 2 in 1. Now let's go a little more, and we will see the calculation I am deleting. So the same MS Word file behave like Excel. You can see that I delete one by one data. Now I add one by one data, and the result is automatically changing. So I have now both the options of Excel and Word. Let's click again, and you have seen that again it behave like MS Word. Inside the table it behave like MS Excel. Now let's come back to MS Excel, and we will check either our calculation was correct or not. So let's use auto sum, and 290, it's the exact figure which we calculated over there. So this is a very good feature of MS Word. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.